In this video, we'll be covering some of the basics of subscription management. So firstly, we're going to come to our subscriptions page here on the left-hand side. You'll see from here I have the choices to view either my active, paused, or canceled subscriptions, or to see any failed renewals. So these are people whose credit cards failed when it tried to renew their subscription for the week. And if I go ahead and double click on one of these, it'll pull up the details. And these are some really important details specifically here up at the top. So we could see things like the last paid order. So here for Mike, his last order renewed on Wednesday and the delivery date was Sunday, May 8th. And I could see his upcoming order is renewing the following Wednesday, the 11th, for delivery on Sunday, May 15th. So I could also scroll down and see the meals that are in Mike's subscription for the week. Now, of course, he has until Wednesday, May 11th to log into his own account and make these adjustments himself. If he's unable to do so, and maybe he reaches out to you and says that he wanted to make some changes, you could jump in here for him and click this adjust button. And just like adjusting an order, you can make any changes you want. And when you get to the checkout page, instead of saying update order, the button now says update subscription. And that will, of course, update the selections that show for his subscription for that week. Now, important to note, what if that scenario does occur where a customer reaches out and says, oh, I forgot to update my choices for the week. Your next steps would depend on when this call took place. If he called you before Wednesday, then you would go ahead and adjust the subscription like I just explained, because the order for the 15th has not yet been generated. However, if he contacts you on Thursday and says, I forgot to update my meal choices, then updating the subscription would actually be updating it for the following Sunday. In that specific case, you would actually come to your orders page. You would find the order that was created for him based on the subscription, and you would adjust that order itself. I typically tell people that's as complicated as GoPrep gets. So as long as you understand that basic premise that at the renewal time, the customer's order gets locked in, you adjust the subscriptions before the renewal time. And if it's after the renewal time, you adjust the orders. If you understand that, then you're going to be a master at GoPrep in no time.